Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just giving you all this updated look with this wig I wore roughly 10 to 12 months ago. You all know there's like a little series on my channel that I'm doing, and I just wanted to bring this back to you all because I thought this was a nice, fun, everyday kind of look, even with the color. Now, in how I got the color, I will put the original video below because that video shows you all exactly how I got the color. This video is just showing you all how I reinstalled it and did my little baby hairs. Like I said, this is like a natural, everyday little like wrap wig is what I'm thinking, you know, about calling it, because I mean that's what it looks like. It has a body, it has a nice little cut, and it has like the little flow. And to be honest, I'm loving it. Very natural, very neutral, and hey, it's not doing too much. But yeah, so if you all like to see how I installed this unit with the bold hold cream, yes y'all, I am giving it another try to see how it does. Hopefully I don't have a bump on my head this time, but we're gonna see. So if y'all like to see how I got this look, I did throw in a little bit of makeup but not too much. Y'all please stay tuned.
On kicking me out, tired of sleeping on the couch. Tell me what it's all about. Yeah, you try to put me down when your friend comes around. And I'm so sick of all this drama. Tired of sleeping on the couch. Tell me what it's all about. And I'm so sick of all this drama. And you try to put me down when your friend comes around. And I'm so sick of all this drama.
I'm tired of you always putting me out. I'm sick of the fussing and fighting it lonely night up on the couch. Please tell me, baby, what the hell is this all about? All the mid-treating, the arguments, and you always dogging me out. My mind say leave, but my heart say keep working it out. I was good to you, baby. Well, at least that's what I thought. 1 minute you love me, then the next one you act like you don't. Please tell me, baby, what the hell is it you really want?
Keep on kicking me out, tired of sleeping on the couch. Tell me what it's all about. Yeah, you try to put me down when your friend comes around. And I'm so sick of all this drama. Tired of sleeping on the couch. Tell me what it's all about. And I'm so sick of all this drama. Yeah, you try to put me down when your friend comes around. And I'm so sick of all this drama.
I'm sick of the lie. I'm tired of the drama, I'm done with the mess. It's over, lil' mama, don't need you, baby, nor the stress. The fussing and fighting in front of your friend, I come to conclusion, baby, this is the end. The love is gone, no need to pretend. Thought you were my homie, my lover and friend. These lonely nights, I spent on the couch, trying my best to figure this out. What's up with the drama, what this all about? No need to explain, I'm done, I'm out. These lonely nights, I spent on the couch, trying my best to figure this out. What's up with the drama, what this all about? No need to explain, I'm done, I'm out.
Keep on kicking me out, tired of sleeping on the couch. Tell me what it's all about. Yeah, you try to put me down when your friend comes around. And I'm so sick of all this drama. Tired of sleeping on the couch. Tell me what it's all about. And I'm so sick of all this drama. Yeah, you try to put me down when your friend comes around. And I'm so sick of all this drama. I'm so tired of the drama. Take it no more. And I can't take it no more. I can't take it no more. kicking me out, tired of sleeping on the couch. Tell me what it's all about. Yeah, you try to put me down when your friend comes around. And I'm so sick of all this drama. Tired of sleeping on the couch. Tell me what it's all about. And I'm so sick of all this drama. And you try to put me down when your friend comes around. And I'm so sick of all this drama.
I'm tired of you always putting me out. I'm sick of the fussing and fighting it lonely night up on the couch. Please tell me, baby, what the hell is this all about? All the mid-train, the arguments, and you always dogging me out. My mind say leave, but my heart say keep work it out. I was good to you, baby. Well, at least that's what I thought. 1 minute you love me, then the next one you act like you don't. Please tell me, baby, what the hell is it you really want?
Keep on kicking me out, tired of sleeping on the couch. Tell me what it's all about. Yeah, you try to put me down when your friend comes around. And I'm so sick of all this drama. Tired of sleeping on the couch. Tell me what it's all about. And I'm so sick of all this drama. And you try to put me down when your friend comes around. And I'm so sick of all this drama.
I'm sick of the lie. I'm tired of the drama, I'm done with the mess. It's over, lil' mama, don't need you, baby, nor the stress. The fussing and fighting in front of your friend, I come to conclusion, baby, this is the end. The love is gone, no need to pretend. Thought you were my homie, my lover and friend. These lonely nights, I spent on the couch, trying my best to figure this out. What's up with the drama, what this all about? No need to explain, I'm done, I'm out. These lonely nights, I spent on the couch, trying my best to figure this out. What's up with the drama, what this all about? No need to explain, I'm done, I'm out.
Keep on kicking me out, tired of sleeping on the couch. Tell me what it's all about. Yeah, you try to put me down when your friend comes around. And I'm so sick of all this drama. Tired of sleeping on the couch. Tell me what it's all about. And I'm so sick of all this drama. Yeah, you try to put me down when your friend comes around. And I'm so sick of all this drama. I'm so tired of the drama. I'm so tired, and I can't take it no more. And I can't take it no more.